And I described in the book all my biography. My childhood in Yazd, in Tehran, the immigration to Israel 75 years ago. Since then we live in this town. Since I arrived here, I was 5 years old. I was elected as the mayor of this town when I was a student at the Hebrew University. I was 24 years old that time. I was elected to the parliament, Knesset, when I was 30 years old, when Menachem Begin was prime minister. Later I served as a minister at the Israeli government, almost 15 years. I was member of inner cabinet of Yitzhak Shamir as a prime minister. I was deputy prime minister. When I was member of parliament, Menachem Begin, prime minister, sent me to Tehran. It was the evening of the revolution against the king, to try to convince the Jews to leave Iran and to immigrate abroad to Israel, because according to our information, it was very bad time for the Jews because the demonstration against the Shah displaced. And I spent almost 10 years at the synagogue there, at the meeting with the Jews, little Jews. I visited in Shiraz. But the Jews were not ready to receive our recommendation. On the year of 2000, I ran for the presidency. Shimon Peres, Nobel Prize, he was before that prime minister, and the member of the parliament, the majority of the members preferred to vote for me as a president. That time, my party, Likud, we were in the opposition. The Labour Party was in power that time, and the Likud party, they have only 90 seats in the parliament among 120 now in the parliament. But the majority of the members, 63 members, preferred me and voted for me and against Shimon Peres. But I served as a president more than 6 years.
6 years?
More than 6 years.
More than
6.5 years. And they were very, very successful service to the Israeli people, Israeli state. And at my last year as a president, when I was almost more than 6.5 years as a president, one of the journalists wrote, the preparation that Moshe Katsav will be prime minister after Arik Sharon. It was a headline in the paper. Moshe Katsav will be elected as a prime minister after Arik Sharon. And since this announcement, they started to arrange conspiracy. That's a problem. No, really, the journal Yediot Ahronoth is very famous, very popular in Israel, Yediot Ahronoth. At the front page, they wrote, Moshe Katsav is very popular. 71% of the Israeli people are satisfied for him as the president of the state. At the front page of Yediot Ahronoth was published, 71% say that Moshe Katsav is good president.
Of course.
And that time they started to arrange this conspiracy.
We love you. You are love for Israel and love for every intelligent personnel. And everything used to be, I know, it's very difficult, Mr. President. But you are Adam, as بهشت میخواستم بیرونش کنن. No forget never this, you are Daniel. خواستم بندازن جلو شیرها and you are Moise. خواستم شبانه چه کنن شما گریختی دریا برات باز شد. دریای دل ایرانیا برای شما باز هست.
Amen, 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 amen.